a desire to know God more deeply, to love more generously, to live more faithfully. Perhaps that's why the songs we've sung can continue to resonate with us, because we give voice to the deepest desires of our hearts.
But longing eventually asks something of us. Sooner or later, it asks us to move beyond the beautiful words and into courageous witness. For our next song, it tells us the story of the Blessed Rupert Meyer, a Jesuit priest from Germany who stayed faithful to Christ despite being imprisoned and persecuted during the Second World War. His story teaches us that faith is not just something we profess, it's something we live, especially when it becomes difficult to do so. May his story inspire us to continue seeking God with grateful and generous hearts.
Because